If you want to download the PlayStation Accessories app on your PC, here is the correct and official way to do it. First, make sure you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 because the PlayStation Accessories app only works on these versions. Now, open the Microsoft Store on your PC. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and type in Microsoft Store. Inside the store, search for PlayStation Accessories. For most people, it's going to be available on the Microsoft Store. If it's not yet available in your country on the Microsoft Store, don't worry, just close the Microsoft Store and go to the official PlayStation website and look for PlayStation Accessories and tap Download for Windows. After it finishes downloading, launch the installation process and follow the on-screen instructions. Now, wait for the download to finish. Once installed, launch the app from the Start menu. After launching the program, connect your PlayStation controller like the DualSense or DualSense Edge using a USB or Bluetooth. The app will automatically detect it. From here, you can update controller firmware, customize supported settings, and make sure your controller is fully up to date. That's it. No third-party tools, no downloads from websites, just the official Microsoft Store app for a safe and smooth setup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.